The most dangerous places in the universe. The universe is not a peaceful place. It is violent, chaotic, and full of places so dangerous that nothing, absolutely nothing, could survive there. From stars that explode with the force of a billion suns to regions of space where time itself breaks down. These are the most dangerous places in the entire universe, and some of them are closer to Earth than you think. A magnetar is a type of neutron star with the most powerful magnetic field ever measured in the universe, a trillion times stronger than Earth's. If a magnetar got within 1,000 miles of Earth, its magnetic field would rearrange the atoms in your body before you even knew it was there. The closest known magnetar is 50,000 light years away. That is uncomfortably close. Gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful explosions in the universe. In just a few seconds, they release more energy than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. If one went off within 6,000 light years of Earth and was pointed directly at us, it would strip away our ozone layer and sterilize the surface of the planet. Scientists believe a gamma-ray burst may have caused one of Earth's mass extinctions. You don't have to go far to find danger. Venus, our nearest neighbor, has a surface temperature of 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Its atmospheric pressure is 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to being 900 meters underwater, and it rains sulfuric acid. The Soviet Venera probes that landed on Venus survived for less than 2 hours before being destroyed. Pulsars are rotating neutron stars that emit beams of radiation from their poles like a cosmic lighthouse. These beams rotate hundreds of times per second and contain enough energy to sterilize any planet they sweep across. Caught in the beam of a pulsar, the radiation would be lethal within seconds. At the center of our own galaxy sits Sagittarius A supermassive black hole 4 million times the mass of our sun. Surrounding it is a region of intense radiation, powerful stellar winds, and stars moving at millions of kilometers per hour. Any planet that somehow existed near the galactic center would be bombarded by so much radiation that complex life would be impossible. A hypernova is what happens when the most massive stars in the universe die. The explosion is 100 times more powerful than a regular supernova, releasing enough energy to outshine entire galaxies for weeks. The shock wave travels through space at a fraction of the speed of light, destroying everything in its path for thousands of light years. This neutron star is so dense and so hot that its surface glows in X-rays. It's moving through space at 380 kilometers per second, fast enough to cross the entire United States in 13 seconds. Anything in its path would be vaporized instantly by the intense radiation and shock wave it produces. Something massive is pulling our entire galaxy, along with thousands of others, toward a single point in space. We call it the Great Attractor. We cannot see it directly because it lies behind the densest part of our galaxy. We are moving toward it at 2.2 million kilometers per hour, and we have absolutely no idea what it is. The universe is not the peaceful, starry sky you see at night. It is a battlefield of unimaginable forces, explosions, radiation, black holes, and mysteries we haven't even named yet. And the fact that life exists here on Earth, protected and safe, may be the greatest miracle in the cosmos. Subscribe because next week we explore something even more extraordinary.